Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A33 from 2020 and let me show you how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's begin with some customization and then I promise I will show you much faster access to this feature. So first of all, let's tap on the settings and here we have to choose display and brightness. And as you can see here, we've got the eye comfort mode. So in order to turn it on right now, just tap on the switcher next to it. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish or amber and it is in order to filter the blue light. If you want to customize this mode, just tap on eye comfort and here we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can schedule that feature. So we can tap on this switcher here and by swiping choose the start time and end time. So let me do this. Let me, for example, start it at, I don't know, 6 and end it at 7 o'clock. And as you can see, it is immediately applied and the screen turned yellowish again because the hour which is currently set is right in the middle between the start time and end time. But let me turn off the schedule time. And under it we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can adjust the intensity of that feature. So of course it's up to you how you want to set it. You can go to the right and make it much warmer, or go to the left and make it cooler. So it's up to you how you want to set it. I think I will leave it here. What's more, under it we've got the display effects. Now we've got the color, so it means that of course the screen is yellow, but after getting back to our homepage, we can still see the colors on the wallpaper. Let's get back to the settings, and after setting black and white, let's tap on it in order to apply. As you can see, we cannot see the green color on the switches, so let's go to the wallpaper and check. And as you can see, our wallpaper is not as colorful as it was, but now it is only in a black and white colors and the shades of them. Let's get back to the settings and let me put the color. So actually this is the whole customization of this mode, and now, as I promised, I will show you much faster access to this feature. All you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here we've got the eye comfort icon. Now it is obviously turned on because the screen is yellow, but in order to turn it off we have to tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. If you have a problem and if you cannot see this eye comfort icon, no worries. Just tap on this edit icon, find it somewhere here, tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position right here. So actually that's all. This is how to enable eye comfort mode in your OPPO A33 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.